Hey everybody, Colin Reed here at MarineMax in Charleston. I want to show you a new trade that we just took in. It is a used 21 SPX. It's a 2022 model year. As you can see, we do have her equipped in the quantum blue hull color. The boat will be equipped with a Bimini top with blue canvas, along with a 150 Mercury on the back. As we climb aboard, you'll see the SeaDek is all throughout the boat. At the back here, we do have our ski pylon here for all your water activities that you may want to do. As we move up through the boat, you'll notice the famous Sea upholstery here that is done all in-house. Underneath this seat is nice storage, along with nice storage under here for an igloo cooler. On the port side here, we do have an upgraded lounge seat that will fully lay down into a sun pad. And then at the helm, we have our Simrad display with a Fusion stereo system. Port side, we do have a nice glove box here for some storage. Along with storage underneath, we have the cover in here currently. So we move up to the bow. We do have the upgraded upholstery here all throughout the boat. Storage here underneath bow seating on port and starboard side, along with an anchor locker up here. If you'd like to learn anything else about this new trade that we just took in, please feel free to give us a call here at MarineMax Charleston at 843-747-1889. Again, I'm Colin Reed, and thanks for watching.